Greetings once again and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Cypress channel. Today we have the Einiosaurus. This one's from both of them are from Dominion. This is a custom paint Einiosaurus. It looked like this, but I decided to custom paint it, make it red with some brown horns, and made his beak brown as well, as you can see there. This is actually inspired from the Jurassic World Alive video game, that mobile app game. This is what their Einiosaurus looks like, but we'll get to the topic now. We have the new Mission Mayhem Truck Set. It comes with a green Einiosaurus. It has a tough looking truck here. It comes with a claw to catch, I guess, little dinosaurs. So this is what the box looks like in the back. There you go. Smash and flip, it says. Alright. So I still don't have this Velociraptor, but this one's on the way now. The Caprosuchus, and we already finished the Tujangosaurus and the Guyabosaurus. Yep, let's get to it. We're gonna open it up. Alright, let's do the truck first. Alright. Uh-oh, what was that? Oh no, it's stuck underneath there. Okay. Alright, oh, okay, I'll check that out. There you go. Take that off. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. So, here's the truck. Let's see, we can open this up. Let's see the back. Nice, looks good. Looks like this is where they smashed it. Oh, there's the claw. Okay, we're gonna take the claw out. Oh, wow. Alright, let's put it in. Oh, I see. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it'll look like that. And then we're gonna put a human here from... This is actually, I think, Dr. Malcolm, another variant of his, from the T-Rex Escape pack. So there you go. So it'll look like that, and we put the cover. There you go. So if you push... Oh, wait, what? How do you... I don't know. Well, I don't know. Okay, so... Wait, that's weird. Okay, so I don't know, it doesn't seem to work. Okay, so yeah, you can put another person here, like standing up. Let's take him out. So yeah, you put him up there. Yeah, and then he can you can put his gun right there. Yeah. All right, let's go to the Einiosaurus now. Oh, okay, you can do that too. Let's go to the green Einiosaurus. Oops. Okay, so it's definitely also like a repaint of the original Dominion, but I like this one better. It has a better color now. Here's the DNA scan. This is the original Dominion. There you go. So we have 3 Einiosaurus now, and here's the other one, the custom paint. There you go. So, which is better for you guys, the Dominion or the Epic Evolution? Okay. 3 Einiosaurus. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. Once again, I'd like to say thank you again for watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe and like button. Okay, let's see what we miss here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, you're supposed to hit it and it flips. But I don't know, it's not working. Or maybe it's broken. Oh, there you go. It worked now. So, there you go. I see. So it does work now. Push it harder. Goodness. So he hits it like that. There. So this one will push it. This one right here. There you go, see? There. So this thing pushes. Alright. Good to know. Let's try this one too. Yeah, that's it. Oh, okay. So it holds it like that. Okay. Alright, guys. Thanks again. Have a great day. Bye.